What's up guys, real quick video for you guys today. I've kind of had this video idea for a little bit. I actually got this idea a while back when talking to some other racers about how difficult it actually is to judge the finish line sometimes. That's one of like the key ingredients to figuring out how to win bracket races. You got to do two things, of course: cut a light, and you got to be able to figure out how to drive the finish line. Now, driving the finish line can be extremely tricky, and it can be extremely difficult to get a really tight stripe. Sometimes it's hard to even tell who got to the finish line first. And so that's why I decided to make this video quick. I actually picked out one of my real tight races that I found in the archives of all of the video that I take, and I found a race that had a 001 stripe. So 1/1000th of a second was the margin of victory on this particular race, and I want to see if you guys can pick up, just by looking at the video, who actually got there first. Sometimes it's hard to tell who got to the finish line first. Did you get there, or did the other guy get there? Sometimes you think you got there and maybe it happened just like us, just a little bit after the finish line. It's really hard to tell sometimes. Watch these video clips and then comment down below. Do you guys think that I got to the finish line first, or do you think that the other driver got to the finish line first? I want to know what you guys think, and you guys might be able to pick up on it if you watch real close, and you can probably slow your YouTube playback down even further. But I did show you like full speed, and I'll show you half speed, and then even a quarter speed, and you might be able to pick it up if you really slow down the footage. But remember, in real life, I mean, these things are just things are happening so quickly out there, and it's so hard to judge a finish line. So I thought this would be a fun exercise. Comment down below, what do you guys think? Oh, it could go either way. I mean, really, it could go either way. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below, and definitely hit subscribe, definitely ring the bell, do all the things, please. It means so much to me. Tell your friends to subscribe. It's a free thing that you can do. Help support the channel. It would be amazing. All kinds of bracket racing content right around the corner. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.